Welcome to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Our today's topic is characteristics and life processes of organisms. Diversity in life. Diversity means variety. Diversity refers to variety of living organisms, animals, plants on the earth. It is called biodiversity. It depends upon the condition of environment. There are a lot of animals and plants in tropical region. Polar regions are too cold, and it is hard to survive in such conditions. Biodiversity is very important as it is very beneficial for all living organisms. Without biodiversity, life would not be possible. Biodiversity provides food to animals as well as human beings. Biodiversity is also a source of nutrients for plants. It makes our air clean. We get medicines and oils from biodiversity. Many industrial materials, such as building materials, fiber, gum and rubber, are also obtained from biodiversity. Biodiversity makes the soil fertile by decomposition of dead organisms. It makes our environment beautiful. Threats to biodiversity. A great loss of biodiversity has been observed in the last few decades. Some organisms have become extinct and some are in a danger of extinction. There are many factors which cause this loss or extinction of biodiversity. Some of these factors are loss of habitat, cutting of trees, overhunting, change of climate, pollution, global warming. There is a need to protect the biodiversity, which would otherwise badly affect the ecosystem. Ways to protect biodiversity. Certain measures should be taken in order to protect the variety of life or biodiversity on Earth. We should prevent and ban all the things which cause the loss of biodiversity. Following are some of the measures which should be taken in order to protect biodiversity. We should make strict laws against hunting of birds and other animals. We should reduce the cutting of trees. We should not purchase the goods made from the fur or skin of animals. We must give awareness to others about the extinction of animals and plants. Make less use of herbicides and pesticides, as these are hazardous pollutants that affect biodiversity. We should take measures to reduce pollution, which badly affects biodiversity. The consumption of natural resources should be reduced. We should make less use of plastic, glass and metal products as they are non-biodegradable and harm biodiversity. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.